When you've got a question asking for what most logically completes the text, I need to focus on that final sentence. So here we see linguists have noted many similar examples of this phenomenon occurring in other languages, suggesting something about social media. So I'm going to just highlight this in yellow, knowing that I need to be focusing on similar examples of whatever this phenomenon is. So the widespread use of social media enables linguists to study changes in language usage in real time. Okay, cool. So we'll just highlight that because that's relevant. A notable recent example is the proliferation of the affix meng among speakers of Bahasa Indonesia, the official language of Indonesia. Linguists observed meng originate as an onomatopoeic tag that social media users applied to images of cats they posted. Over time, users increasingly applied it as a prefix to existing words, e.g. mengsida affixes meng to the word for sad in text that they posted. From there, it has begun to move into spoken Bahasa Indonesia. So we know that there was this example of proliferation of meng online, but then it actually came into real life. So we're going to just look for this in our answer choices. So starting with choice A is more useful for studying informal language than for, no, this is not the issue. It's about the social media thing. So we'll just highlight informal language as an example, or as a specific reason to eliminate and get rid of A almost immediately. Choice B appears to be exerting an exceptionally strong influence. That's a bit extreme. So we'll highlight that and cross out B. Choice C may give linguists a somewhat misleading sense of how languages are changing. There's nothing misleading about this. It's just an observation. So C, again, kind of extreme. Does not merely register changes in language usage, but can facilitate such changes. Absolutely. It's not just saying it's happening, but can actually be causing it. This is the kind of bland language, though, that is often hard to find if you don't engage proactively, but hopefully you can see how choice D is the correct answer for number 15.